Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I just wanted to give a review of Canva and Canva Pro. I am a graphic designer and web designer, and I use Photoshop almost every single day, so I wanted to check out Canva Pro for some easier objects that I wanted to create. So I logged in, I got a free account, and actually I did the 30-day free trial for Canva Pro so I can see what we can do with Canva and Canva Pro. Now, one of the things that I wanted to see is how easy it was to use, and actually it is pretty easy to use. Now, it doesn't have all the features that Photoshop has, obviously, but it does have a lot of good features that you can use to create effective designs fairly easily. Now, I want to create designs for my domain names and for my affiliate websites that I have. So if you go over here to search, you can see all the templates they have. So if I wanted to do a YouTube channel art, I can select that template. If I want to do a Facebook post, they have that template. So there's a lot of templates over here that you can use and just click them and it'll pop right up, or you can do a custom dimension. So if you want a custom size, you can do one that size. So I'm just going to do one the custom size that I need for a particular example. I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to use. And there are a few things that you can do with this now. Is you can pick out your templates, you can go to your photos, you can go to your elements here, and you can there's a whole number of different items that you can choose from to do. But we'll go through some of the things. You got photos, you have elements, text, music, videos, background, uploads, and folders. I haven't messed too much with the video part of things here. I haven't explored that area yet. You can see here with the elements, if I wanted to do something, I can just go to text. If you just wanted to do some font combinations, if you want to make something real fast, you can just pick out one of these text combinations. Just click that, and it'll load up here in just a second. All right, now you can edit that. All right, change the color. All right, and if you were doing this for like an Instagram post or something, it would be, the layout would be that size, and this would be 1, 2, 3, and it's done right now. So that's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of other things that you can do. You can see here's another font combination. Now when it pastes this, when you do select this, it will do another one on top of here, as you can see right there, and you just have to delete this. So one of the things I haven't discovered really is layers. I haven't really discovered layers yet on here, or how that's done. Is you add a new page here, and there's that. But there is I don't see a layers. If you go down here, you can download it, you can share, you can present, Facebook, Twitter, email. All right, and if you click this button here, it downloads the file. You can select your standard size, or JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, video, GIF, or animation. Okay, and I think the star means that you'll need the Pro account to do that, animated GIF. And then you can choose your size of your document here, or what you want to output it as. So if you want it to be a bigger size, so for example, I was doing 300 by 80, but if I wanted to make this bigger on output at 600 by 160, I could do that right here. You can also choose transparent background. Obviously that's for the PNG, and compressed file if you wanted to have a lower quality file size there. So that's pretty cool. Other things you can do, like I said, the elements is the biggest thing. So if I just want to make something real fast here, I can do that. I can make something that I need, just a quick little logo that I need. I'm just gonna go here to heading and add a heading here. And I'm just going to call this Boss Media, because that's what the name of the kind of logo I need. I'm selling a domain. It's called Boss Media. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to make this big, and as you can see, it expands easy. That's one cool thing, is it expands very easily. Now you can select this and then choose your letter line height right here. You can choose your letter kerning there, and then your letter line height here. You can also choose your color. You can go to your color and choose your color. Go with a darker blue here, actually. Right there. Then you can choose what you want it to be, your elements here. Let's go to elements, and let's just choose business. Let's see what business comes up. All right, these look like some good options that I might be able to use here. Boss Media. Again, this is just something quick. It's not really for anything too crazy. Let's just use this one right here, Boss Media.
Put this one right in the middle. All right, and then let's edit this text. And you can expand it. I need to fit right in there. Now let's just bring this down. Alright, and let's just see if we can do the letters a little more. Alright, and if that happens, you just want to make it bigger like that. Go all the way to the edge.
All right, and And there we go. So that didn't take too long to do. Now I'm going to download it. Download as a JPEG and download. Then it prepares my design and it downloads my design right here. Alright, so that's how you use it. It also has an undo button and a go back button and a forward button. You can also change color, like your icons right here. You can change that to pink if you wanted, or purple, or whatever color you wanted to do. Lots of different options that you can do. You can make it transparent if you wanted. That's a pretty cool option. Let's see what the paintbrush does. I'm not sure what the paintbrush does. Position, oh, that's position. Okay. Oh, no, that's position. I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure what the paintbrush does. Copy style. Oh, okay, copy style. All right, then you can link it. You can lock the layer if you wanted to lock the layer. You can also duplicate it and throw it in the trash can if you wanted to do that. Overall, honestly, I'll probably be using this for a lot of small designs that I need, where I don't need to necessarily open Photoshop, and I can also use the stock imagery in a couple clicks, and it's really just drag and drop. I don't have to open up Photoshop and save it as a JPEG and do all that here. I just go bam, save. Makes the things really easy. Now I'm not gonna delete Photoshop altogether. I will still be using Photoshop for a lot of other things, but making simple logos like this for artificial businesses, you know, mock-up things that you need, is a great way to do things, and I will be using this. So that's my review. Like I said, I'm a professional web and graphic designer, and this isn't a great program for designing your own stuff. This is great for like an artificial business you have. You need to do something real quick for a presentation. You're using it for Instagram, you're using it for YouTube, you're using it for something else, but it's not great for like a designer to design something in, so to speak. It makes things easy. You can do the drag and drop thing very easily. You can do a lot of things very easily. Now, they may not look as quality of some of the other items that you make in a Photoshop or things like that, but this definitely isn't not a substitution for Photoshop. I'm not saying that at all. This is definitely not a substitution for Photoshop. There's so many more things you can do in Photoshop. Anyways, this is great for what it does, for $10 a month. You can't really beat the price. You can use this in a lot of different ways. Hey, if you want to check out some other free tools online, check out how to remove a background for free without using Photoshop as well. You guys will really enjoy that video. Go ahead, check that out, and I'll see y'all on the other side.